Military bases are the facilities directly possessed and operated by or for the military to shelter military equipment and personnel and facilitates training and operations. These established overseas enable a nation to project power, thereby influencing events abroad. The United States is the largest operator of military bases abroad. It has about 38 such bases. In this video, we will see the top 12 Indian military bases located outside the Indian territory. Number 1. Tajikistan. The Farkhor Air Base is located near the town of Farkhor in Tajikistan. It is 130 kilometers southeast of the capital Dushanbe. It is operated by Indian Air Force in collaboration with the Tajik Air Force. It is India's first military base overseas. It is an official foreign base of India and is operated jointly with Russia. Any base hosts Indian helicopters as well. The Chabahar port in Iran facilitates Indian transport access to Farkhor Air Base via Afghanistan. The Farkhor Air Base is the first overseas base on India. It is within 15 minutes strike distance from Islamabad. Number 2. Bhutan. Indian military training team, also called as IMTRAT, is located at Hadong in western Bhutan. It is a training mission of Indian Army in Bhutan. It is responsible for training of the personnel of the Royal Bhutan Army, also called as the RBA, and the Royal Bodyguard of Bhutan, also called as the RBG. Number 3. Madagascar. India's first foreign listening post was set up in northern Madagascar in 2007 to track shipping movements in the Indian Ocean and listen in on maritime communications. The monitoring station in northern Madagascar is set up to keep an eye on the ship movements in the Indian Ocean. Number 4. Mauritius. India is currently building a military base in North Agaliga Islands. The island, located in the Indian Ocean, is leased to Indian military for the development of strategic assets as of India-Mauritius military cooperation. Number 5. Seychelles. On the request of the government of Seychelles, India plays an essential role in its fight against piracy. India supports the country by providing choppers and defense equipment to safeguard the borders. India and Seychelles have inked a defense pact for a joint project to build a naval base. For this, India gave a $100 million line of credit and a Dornier aircraft to Seychelles. At present, India maintains a coastal surveillance radar system in Seychelles. Number 6. Oman. Oman is the first Gulf nation to have formalized defense relationship with India. Oman signed a defense agreement with India in 2008. Indian Navy has berthing rights in Oman and has been utilizing Oman's port bases for conducting an anti-piracy operation in Gulf of Aden. Indian Naval Air Base is in Muscat. India has a listening post in Ras Al Had and berthing rights at Muscat Naval Base. There is an establishment at Dum for Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy. It is important to note that Dum has previously served as a port for INS Mumbai. Number 7. Iran. Chabahar port, located on the Gulf of Oman in the northeastern Iran, is the country's only oceanic port. India took over the port's operation in December 2018. Though it has been in a lot of controversies, but still India maintains its position here. Number 8. Nepal. This country shares a good relationship with our country, and in return our army provides security to the neighboring country. India even claims that any attack on Nepal will be countered as an attack on Indian territory. Such strong is our bond. Indian Air Force has an airstrip in Surkhet which provides safety against airborne threats. Number 9. Maldives. Maldives is under Indian Navy security hold which monitors the water of the neighbors. Piracy threats in these waters are secured using coastal surveillance radar stations. Number 10. Vietnam. Both the countries share a strong military relationship, and Vietnam has invited India for its naval presence in the South China Sea through access to the Cam Ranh Bay Naval and Air Base. Number 11. Qatar. India has committed its military assets to protect Qatar from the external threat in 2008. Navy of Indian forces provide security and free access to the sea that are granted by the Qatar to Indian Navy. Number 12. Mozambique. India and Mozambique share a warm military tie with each other Indian Navy took charge of Mozambique Sea security during African Union Summit there in 2003 and during World Economic Forum Summit, and continues to hold its presence there. So friends, these were some of the important military bases of India located outside India. The students appearing for various competitive examinations and government examinations must be aware of these locations and how these locations in times can act in favor of India. Thank you.